sound.
Hello! Yan, masyadong maano pala pag phone. Masyadong malapit. We are going to the Philippines today. Ngayon yung flight namin. Tapos I'm trying to vlog using my cellphone. Tingnan natin kung tinatamad na kasi ako. Nandito yung mga camera. I know why you need to sit down.
Bella.
Bella!
Bella's going to
We're gonna miss you, Bella. Ayan o. Tingnan mo. Masyado lang naka... Oo. So, ano, malinaw nga, pero masyado lang. Unless back camera siguro. Unless ganyan. Ayan o. Unless ganyan. Ida-drop lang namin yung si Bella sa bahay nila, mami. Tapos, diretso na tayo ng airport. Bella, we're gonna miss you.
We stayed there for 30 minutes.
Bye! Thank you!
Mommy.
Mickey Mouse.
Daddy, how oh.
Maingay na ito dalaw.
Okay, you're gonna walk then? Okay, you follow your kuyas. Follow kuyas.
Ayan, say hi.
I hope that you like that.
You have something on your backpack. No, I say hi.
That
Veuillez ranger vos bagages dans le coffre supérieur.
How about Naya? Babe. Yeah, same.
Besoin de vous asseoir confortablement. De redresser le dossier de votre siège.
We suggest wearing it even when the sign is turned off.
Amelia,
Vous devez
kuya.
porter votre ceinture lorsque la consigne des ceintures est allumée. Mais nous vous suggérons de la porter même lorsque la consigne est prochaine. Attachez votre ceinture et ajustez-la autour de vos hanches.
My ears.
We're flying! Canada tayo.
Hello.
Stop over.
I got monkey jobs and Xavier.
Oh, ang daming stuff in. Hi, kuya!
I got Star. Daddy, film me. Daddy, film me. I have Star in my comfort hoodie.
Yes. Can you show your hoodie? Show your hoodie.
And under hood I have Daddy, really comfy.
Dito na tayo later. Dito na ako maghihilang.
Canada!
Dito na sa
We're
airport.
now here in
3 hours yung layover.
You need to change. Come on. You need to change. Oh, later. Later. In the airplane. Come on, let's change first. Daddy.
Hi! Amelia! Amelia!
Please be mindful of your belongings throughout the flight and keep your valuable possessions secured. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead storage bins to retrieve your items, as keep them on your person or you may put them in the seat pocket or under the seat in front of you at all times. You may now charge your portable.
We're home! Picture ko lang muna sila dito. Hello! Nasa Grab kami. Nag-Grab lang. Kuya, welcome to the Philippines. Say hi! Second day na namin sa Philippines at hindi ako naka-vlog kahapon. Gamit ko lang yung photo ngayon. Kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. Grabe. Then, kailangan ko magkakasakit ako kahapon. Ngayon, nasa ano lang tayo? Trinoma. Kakain sa Jerry's Grill. Yung isa tulog pa, oh. Hi, babe. Hi, boys. Boys. Ate Beck. Ate Beck ulit. Suke. Suke. Yeah. Yeah. Get in 30 minutes. Ako, 16 minutes na lang. It should be here na.
Yeah, but it's 7 of them.
Yeah.
So,
Sa Jerry's Grill sabi, ayan, after 30 minutes, wala pang food free na.
Oh, baka hanapin mo na naman po.
Ay, oo, okay. Si Amelia ayaw gumising.